Good afternoon, 7th graders. Happy Tuesday. Obviously, I'm not here, and so I wanted to just make sure you know what you're going to be working on for your assignment today. We're taking a break from Rube Goldberg just for today since I'm not here. When you come back on Thursday, we'll get started with building with your group, and you'll get all your tools and supplies. For today, your assignment, as you can see, it's going to be working in Schoology. And there's two things that we're going to be working on, both talking about just different types of engineering. So when Boston Scientific came in, we talked about different types of engineering jobs in the different fields within engineering. And so for the assignment, you're going to learn a little bit about a wastewater engineer and then college students that had what's called a medical marvel. And so to do that, you're going to go to Schoology. And you should see at the top, there's a folder that says November 15th Engineering Jobs. And you have two things you need to do. First, you're going to click on this folder, Career here. And then there's these two links. So one of them is a website that will give you a lot of information. The other one is a quiz that you need to complete in Schoology. So what I would do is open this up in a new tab. It'll probably ask if you want to, and I would click on this to open it up just to the article. And throughout all of this, you're going to see how much does it pay, what type of education do you need, what are the tasks of a wastewater engineer. There's a video in here, a lot of information that you'll skim through, but as you're skimming through it, you'll want to have this quiz open. There's only 5 questions, and so to find these answers, you'll just jump back and forth between this website, finding the information on what a water or wastewater engineer does. So that's step number 1. When you go back to this folder, the second thing it says College Students Medical Marvel. And so it says read the University Medical Marvel. If you don't want to read it yourself, or if you struggle with that, there is a video where Mr. Severson reads the article to you. And then as you read the article, you can complete the Schoology quiz that's in here. So very similar, I would open this up in a different tab. And again, whether you read it or click on that video link to read through this here, to find the answers to this quiz, you'll have to go through that article and answer that 5-question quiz. So that's what your assignment is for today. Hopefully you're going to learn a little bit more about different types of engineering jobs. And when you're done with that, any remaining time, then you could complete tasks in Rube Goldberg. So if you're missing anything from task 1, 2, 3, or 4, now is a great time to get caught up. Make sure you're all caught up with your grades. So make good choices today. Be respectful and show that character of who you are inside. Don't just act a fool because I'm not here. So we'll see you on Thursday. Enjoy your day.